All right, today I'm going to show you how to do a stencil with transfer tape. This is transfer tape that I bought online, and it's what I use to transfer my vinyl projects. But I'm going to use it to make a stencil for this board here. Okay, so what we have our design on our computer right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my transfer tape to the right size. So I want to cut it to 12 by 12. I'm going to lay the transfer tape onto my mat. Make sure I smooth it out. Okay, and I'm going to load it into my silhouette.
Oh, I accidentally got my finger in.
That's okay. I'm going to load it into my silhouette. And I'm going to assume that we need to cut this at around the same thing as vinyl, so I'm going to set my blade to 3. And we are going to send it on and cut it out. And we'll get back to you when we get finished. So we have cut it out our stencil, and now we're going to take it off, and hopefully this works. So what you're going to need to do is, because we're using the negative space, is any of the little O's or apostrophes are going to have to be put back on once we put it on our board. But it's looking like it cut really, really nice. Just be patient when you're pulling it off. Got something stuck there. All right. Now, see what we have is a negative space stencil. So now I'm going to move my mat over. That's okay. And this is my plank that I'm going to do this on. I can't remember which direction. I think I'm going to go this way. Nope, that's not the right direction. I'm going to go this way. So we're just going to lay it on. Push it down. Okay? So that's it. I'm going to fill in all my negative O's and my apostrophes with what's on the mat here, and then I'm going to paint it, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, now I've got my stencil on my board. And now I'm just going to paint. And I'm just going to keep painting until I fill it all in. You want to make sure your stencil's really well down, so you don't get any bleed. Okay, and I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. All right, I have painted my stencil, and now we're going to take it off and see if it actually worked. Corianne, do you think it worked?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So we have to fill in a little bit of the T up here because it didn't get all of it. But I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, Corianne?
It looks good.